Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out the TOZO HT3 Adaptive Hybrid Noise Cancelling Headphones. These have high-res audio and they look pretty nice. Here's a little back of the box information for you. Go ahead and pause, zoom in if you want to take a peek at any of those details. So shipping on these via Amazon, super duper fast and efficient. In addition to the headphones, we do have a little user manual here and then a quick start guide giving you the tidbits you need to go ahead and start using those headphones. We also have two cables. So we have our headphone jack, that way you can plug those into the headphones and then into your computer or another device that uses a headphone jack. And then we have the charging cord, USB to USB-C. Very nice. The quick start guide here is going to give you all of the details that you need to know to go ahead and function those headphones. So we have our power button to turn it on, turn it off, play and pause, answer and hang up, and of course rejecting a call. You can go ahead and hold that for 2 seconds as well. You do have a volume up and down toggle, and then you also have the TOZO app. So you can go ahead and download that. They do have it on both Apple and Google Play Store. I've gone ahead and downloaded that and paired my phone with our HT3 headphones. Very, very simple, only takes just a moment. On those headphones, you're also going to have an ANC button. So that's for noise canceling. So each time the headphones are powered on, they'll automatically default into that noise canceling mode. You can go ahead and press that button again if you want that ambient noise so that you can hear the background as well. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the actual headphones. So they feel nice. The plush earpieces feel nice. There is also a nice area on the top that's very soft and cushy. Would lead me to think that these are going to be super comfy to go ahead and wear for extended periods of time. Of course, with these headphones, you can go ahead and travel with them easily because they do fold up. Very compact, easy to store in a backpack. The TOZO HT3 headphones do fold up very compact. So these would be great to go ahead and bring to school with you or on a trip. They pack up nicely, would store in a backpack. Very, very nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at these headphones. So that orange button there, that is your noise canceling button. It says NC on it. So you're gonna go ahead and press that button to change between noise canceling and that adaptive mode so you can hear around you. You have your USB-C port, of course your headphone jack there, your toggle for up and down volume, and then your power on and off button there on the side. On the other side, we don't have any buttons at all. So your buttons are just going to be on one side of those headphones. Again, they seem very nice and compact. Again, that squishy ear part seems very nice as well. So headphones seem very nice. So of course you have your left and your right labeled in there. You can go ahead and extend that headband on there. Both sides extend nicely. So let's go ahead and try them on. A little too big there, but they extend kind of on the fly too. Those are nice. So they fit over the ear. My whole ear is encompassed inside there, but they are super squishy. Fit very, very nicely. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and power these on. It has a nice audible sound letting you know that they are powered on. Now that I have them on, I'm gonna go ahead and connect my phone with some music. Using the TOZO app, I've already connected my phone to the headphones. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play some music and see how that volume works on the headphones and how the audio sounds. So again, remember on the right-hand side is the only side that you're gonna have those buttons. So you can feel around. Of course, the volume rocker is a little bit longer, so you can go ahead and turn it up, turn it down. The sound sounds amazing. I feel like I'm being kind of loud because I have that noise canceling mode on, but it sounds pretty nice. You could definitely use these in an environment where it is loud around you or where you want to kind of drown out that outside noise so that you can focus on what you're hearing. Whether it's an audio book or just some music, these would work very, very nice for that. So when you power this on, it does give you a little audible sound if your battery's low. It's like something that you would hear in a movie, like doo-doo-doo, like an audible noise letting you know that there's something wrong, like you need to charge your headphones. Charging time on these, I've plugged them in for like an hour or so, and they have been going forever. Not forever. I've used these for several hours though without the need to charge them. So I can't give you the exact amount of time that these will last. However, they seem to be have a pretty long battery life. And of course that charging time, just the USB-C, plug them in and you should have quite a long time to use them. I recently used these on a car trip where there were multiple people in the car having their own conversations. There was even music playing in the car. And with that adaptive noise control and noise canceling ability, I was able to listen to my own things in my headphones without listening to everybody else in the car. So if you kind of need like a break from everything going on, these are really nice for that as well. If you would like some more information to check out the details on these headphones, check that link down in the description for all of the details, specifications, and of course, price. Thank you all so much for joining us today as we're checking out these headphones. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.